This is about 50% of what my life is at the moment. Just trying to get a baby to burp. Just burp already, come on, please. Come on, big boy, let's get it up. Oh, big boy. Oh, I've been sick. Hello and welcome back again to my Road to Sub 3 series. This is the series where I show you all of my training leading up to the Brighton Marathon with the goal of completing it in under 3 hours. We're now on week 9, so we're coming up close. We've only got a few more good weeks of training really, and then